Check if a word is in a string in Python. I'm working with Python, and I'm trying to find out if you can tell if a word is in a string. I have found some information about identifying if the word is in the string using .find, but is there a way to do an if statement? I would like to have something like the following.
What is wrong with?
Find returns an integer representing the index of where the search item was found. If it isn't found, it returns -1.
But keep in mind that this matches a sequence of characters, not necessarily a whole word. For example, word in swordsmith is true. If you only want to match whole words, you ought to use regular expressions. If you want to find out whether a whole word is in a space-separated list of words, simply use this elegant method is also the fastest, compared to Hugh Bothwell's and Darsung's approaches. Edit. A slight variant on this idea for Python 3.6+, equally fast.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.